Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Line call settings explained for beginners. So here I'm going to teach you about the call settings here at Line. So here once we're here at Line to manage our call settings, I'll teach you what that is also. All we need to do is open up our Line and press on the settings icon top right corner. After doing that, all we need to do is scroll down till you go to general sections right here. As you can see right now, general sections. Once you're here, you will see calls just above album and just press on that. Here, as you can see right now, we can all change our calls right here. So we can customize it as the way we like. As you can see, we can disable allow voice calls. So disable the settings to reject incoming calls and stop receiving missed call notification. And as you can see right now, we are here, so we can change our few steps. Incoming calls make sound and pop on screen. Change that right there. As you see right there, just press on that. We'll head to our settings, and here we can choose any of this. As in call activity, no sound. Ongoing calls, no sound. Compact voice call mode, we can also turn that on if you want. Compact video call mode, we can turn that off if you want. There you go, as you can see right now. And ringtone, here the select your play. That's when a friend calls you. Here we have a different kind of ringtones right here, as we can select here at our line. And here are advanced call settings right here. Enable full HD voice call, audio call mode. Use OpenSL one-on-one video call quality. As you see right now, it's on high definition, HD on Wi-Fi only. And disable additional video call features and reset voice call. If you don't want to get lag when you're on call, I suggest lowering this to standard. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy it. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go guys. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.